So now that we have done the rate calculation, we're going to look at the calculation for number of years. We have the same question. A person deposited 100,000 today at a rate of 8% and bank promised to pay 126,000 in return after some time. How long is this time? So the present and future value we know, and the rate is 8%. Is the same question, and we know that the answer should come 3 years. But you still need to know the steps. Because of course the later questions will be different. So we're going to use this formula, and the first step, like in that case, is to plug in the values. So if you plug in the values, the future value is 1,26,000, the present value is 100,000, and the R is 0.08, and we do not know the N. So you need to isolate the N, and you need to shift everything else on the other side like we did before. So this 100,000 is multiplying by this bracket. On the other side, it will go into division. If you solve this, this will become 1.26. So I'm going to do the steps from now onwards. So over here, you get 1.26. And over here, if you plus this, this will become 1.08 n. Now this n is in power, and you need to isolate this n. Usually students make the mistake that they will shift this 1.08 into division on the other side. You can't do this because 1.08 is not multiplying by this n. This is actually in its power. So you need to bring it down from the power. In order to do that, we're going to apply log on both sides, because log has this property that you can bring down the power. So you're going to apply log on this side, and you're going to apply log on the other side as well. Now you can bring down this power. Okay, so over here this n is going to come down now, and it's going to multiply by this log. So it's going to multiply, this was n, sorry. So we need an eraser. This is multiplying by log 1.08, and over here we have log 1.26. Now because this n is no longer in power and it's actually multiplying by this log 1.08, you can take this log 1.08 on the other side, and it will go into division. So this will become log 1.26. And if you solve this, your answer is approximately coming 3.00 something. So we can round it off to 3 years. This is our n, our number of years. Similarly, we're going to do one more practice question so that this sinks in. How long would it take 1,000 to double if it was invested in a bank that paid 6% per year? So now you know that you're going to invest 1,000, but they haven't even given you the future value. But they have said that how long would it take 1,000 to double? So the double of 1,000 is 2,000. So they haven't given you the future value, but they have told you what they want the future value to be. The double of 1,000 is 2,000, so that is the future value. The R is 6%, and you again need to find out the N over here. So we're going to again use this formula. The future value is 2,000, the present value is 1,000, 6% is the R. It will go on the other side and it will go into division. 2,000 divided by 1,000 will become 2, and 1 plus 0.06 will become 1.06. Now there's one step actually missing from here, so let me just go back. This is 2, and we have 1.06 n. Again, what you need to do is you need to bring down this n from the power. So for that, you're going to take log on both sides. So that is what's going to happen now. So you're going to take log on both sides. Now you can bring down the power. So n is multiplying by this log now. Because it's multiplying, you can shift this log 1.06 to the other side. Log 2 divided by log 1.06. If you solve this, your answer is coming 11.89 years. So the number of years is 11.89. And with this topic, our today's session ends.